1 2 3 1 2 3 ए रमेश गेन बढ़ा रे रमेश
Oh shit.
यही जा
Okay.
रहा फर्स्ट एपिसोड
हाँ,
10
भेज दे
मिनट
तुम्हें
शुरू
डायरेक्ट ऐसे ही डाल दे तुम।
Okay.
अरे क्या बाप 4 घंटे रुकने वाले बंदों को धमकी दे रहा
उसमें 3 बार I think you like सुनाई दे
पूरे
रहा
8 प्लेटफॉर्म डाउनलोड करवाया 3 साइन अप्स करवाया
2
डेविड को
माइक
तो
भी खरीदा
डेविड का क्रेडिट कार्ड
2
इंफॉर्मेशन भी
माइक
गया
खरीदा
हाँ
पर
2
एक
माइक
खरीद रहा था
खरीदवाया रे पहले Bucci wants to talk about 1 point for 45 minutes bro जी सुन रहा
45 minutes is a lot like 15-20
he
minutes
wants
हाँ
to
तो
do
क्या
one
है what
topic
do you want
45
to
minutes
talk
Z
about
we
now
should do one topic 5 minutes
5 minutes
yeah
7 minutes
you shouldn't worry too much
yeah but
about
there has
that
to be
like
some
if you're done
but
with
some
45 minutes
moderation
just use
some
the rest of the
direction
topics next time you know
अरे वरुण लाइट ऑन करना
एक
के
कुर्सी पे
मेरे तो
बैठना
पैर
रहे ऐसा
टूटे हैं
लेट के सो के काय को अपना भेजो एक टेबल
2
ले घर में
बजे से कर रहे 2 बजे
हाँ मैं भी कर रहा हूँ बुल्ले, तुम लोग अकेले कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो। चलो चलो बस है भाई। So Zeddy, these guys are saying change in hygiene habits post coronavirus होता क्या?
होना तो चाहिए like I think people should like at least try you know I don't think it'll be easy
पानी रनिंग वाटर नहीं है ना रे।
हाँ which ना रे तो पहले रिजॉल्व करना वो सब लोगों का ने पानी कौन डालता रे
पर्सनल
जनरल
हाइजीन
हाइजीन या
पर्सनल हाइजीन ये लोग बोल रहे हैं पर्सनल हाइजीन बढ़ जाता बोल के।
हाँ
I don't think so, dude. I think personal hygiene won't improve unless I think it has to be like a seasonal thing or like fuck tons of people need to die. कम लोग मरे तो कुछ भी नहीं होता।
No, I think there's enough fear for people to change, but I think there will be some upticks in hygiene. Maybe not amongst the poorest of poor Indians, but at least middle class people. I mean, I learned some new things about hygiene and like generally how to avoid catching colds and all of that. And I think Varun and I were talking about this. We think colds become hote hum log ko because of the things
See,
we learned.
because if you actually maintain the levels of hygiene that you're doing right now, in general, I don't think it's gonna be very hard for you to catch a cold, man. So that's on
yeah
because you're gonna be extra cautious, man. Like you were never like what now before doing anything. The fuck you like make sure you wash your hands.
Yeah.
And that thing of like touching your eyes, like gone.
That'll go back to basics, bro. अभी एक साल में जो
No,
करेंगे
why
तो-
will it go back?
I don't
dude?
think it'll stay,
It's-
dude.
You're like, I think this will be habit forming, or you can make it habit.
Absolutely. See, for us, that's what I'm saying. For us, it's different from talking about the world. मैं क्या बात कर रहा हूँ? Larger picture में कुछ भी नहीं होता. All the poorer countries, they can't do shit.
See, those
Right.
guys are anywhere not doing it right now, or not to the extent you'd want them.
But
Like,
Bob, don't you
see-
think this has or introduced like a generation of Indians to hand washing, Bob, as a thing, like people who literally never washed their hands before this? 200 million Indians who never went to hand washing might like do it now, Bob. Every now and then.
People wash their hands.
Bob,
No,
like no,
that's
you
what I
say
mean.
that, but
Lot of
does your maid wash her hands before gunding the atta? Out of those things, bro, maybe thrice a day she'll do, Maybe, but yeah, it's an interesting point. Hota ki nahi.
Yeah, see, it also the longevity of this whole scene. Because if this scene doesn't last very long, people forget.
But
bro.
don't you
People
think
forget
it's
very
already
easily.
like affected a lot of people in a lot of ways? It has. You won't probably experience what we are right now.
Dude,
For a very
world
long
is on
time.
lockdown.
Exactly.
Yeah.
This is something that's unprecedented, bro.
No, yeah, this is once in a lifetime.
So that's an impact itself, I think. Buji.
this is like our World War II
If this won't like wake you up, then nothing will.
or our Black Plague
Black Plague चला बाप बहुत सालों साल चला वो. Like people just kept dying for years and years. They didn't know where it came from till that one guy figured out it was rats.
Well, so what do you think, Z? You think this is war, huh? I mean, war level, right?
yeah I think people have to act now I don't know what they can do though like
Sabzi जाने लाना पड़ता है, yeah, bro.
you can't keep like a billion people inside
Bro, forget that. Today my maid came and she's like, yeah, everyone is going to work. And I'm like, what are you talking? She's like, yeah, my full family.
Yeah,
is like,
they
"Yeah,
have
people
to go
are
to
going
work,
today. Everything is back to now. I'm like, no, it's lockdown. I told her to leave. I said, go back to your house. Who asked you to come today? I thought she came for her salary. I was like, yeah, come a little later. I'll give it to you. No, she's like, no, everyone's gone back. My son went back to work and everyone. The gravity of the situation hasn't hit these people. Because see, one thing is we are spammed by this amount of news. These guys don't. They watch
Dude, half of
TikTok,
them
some time
won't
pass
have
करते हैं
TikTok
लोग अभी.
on their phone. They'll have to like, you'll have to.
नहीं बोले तो वो लोग कोई अवेयरनेस ही नहीं है ना रे क्या
Yeah,
हो
yeah,
रहा बोल
lot
के
of people
अवेयरनेस
don't
नहीं रहते
know.
वो लोग
How?
yeah
Dude, forget the maids and stuff.
इन्हें क्या तभी आके मोदी आके महामारी बोल के बोल दिया तो कुछ भी that word was not used for
1918,
I
yeah.
don't know how long because it hasn't happened. Yeah, and if you were alive then and listened to the radio then and then also all your relatives died, then you know what that word means. Otherwise, nobody learns Mahamari.
No, but what I'm saying is, I'm not only talking about the maids and these niggas who don't have access to information, dude. People like educated niggas. No, even educated niggas like my
Yeah,
neighbor.
even the educated
Nigga
people.
went out. He drove and got his maid and he came, dude. Just because they're not allowing them, he drove her and he'll drive her back. He's getting the plague into his house. Idiot
He
doesn't
went out
understand
of
that.
the house to get the
Yeah,
maid in
yeah,
the car and
yeah.
come back. And the dude is a
The
doctor.
fuck is this shit? Yeah, he is.
Leave this in Indore. They went to one of these mohallas where these guys who went for that gathering that whatever happened in Nizamuddin. So these guys who went in Indore, the COVID, whatever, the people who go to test people, they went to that mohalla where they were told that X number of people are there. You have to go and test, tell them to self-isolate, check,
Right.
quarantine, whatever they had to do. And their mob came out and chased them, pelted them with stones and chased them away, bro.
That is just I can't even comprehend why would someone do that. I can't comprehend it.
No, that's my point, Zeddy. These people don't know what's happening. If you know that it's going to kill you and kill everyone around you,
That's
you
what.
wouldn't do that. Instead that whole mohalla will be throwing those guys to the doctors
Yeah.
instead of saving them like this. Because
No, but
that
it's not
collective
just
knowledge, they
that.
don't know what is happening. They just think
No, but
like
it's
people
not
are
just
being
that.
taken away and put in jail. क्या सोचते बाप? Like let's say you're a very poor Muslim from somewhere, and right now with all the shit that's going down, these guys are like, "Chalo, we're coming to pick you up." These guys just think they're going to come and put these guys in.
Dude, Bucci, it's not merely that people are like, oh, the question is why are you coming and testing my people, so to speak? Because,
Yeah,
yeah, obviously,
it is.
It's become a religious.
obviously, some government official, how much do you think Muslims of this country trust government officials?
How? Yeah. I'm trying to find. So this apparently focus on testing, tracing, and isolation. See, the thing is, bro, इन्हें बोल रहा focus on testing. टेस्टिंग के लिए किट्स नहीं है बाप. पूरा इंडिया में 1.25 लाख किट्स है. They just 1.1 in 130 crores.
1.25 lakh किट्स है खाली.
क्या है वो? That's like
Fuck, कुछ भी नहीं है वो.
0.01%. बस. Yeah. So one of my friends just texted saying his friend is a doctor at Apollo. They're being trained like they're going for war, Kate. They have to work 14 days straight at the hospital, then go to a hotel for a couple of days, and then come back again for 14 days, and they can't meet anyone. So my friend asked her, what do you think is going to happen? She said, brace yourself, scary things are going to happen.
What the fuck?
क्या तो भी scene है बाप. Sama, where did you see that?
Dude,
thing
I
that
saw
said
some
May 4th?
random WhatsApp posts.
नहीं, कुछ भी
it's
नहीं है
fake
ऐसा.
news, bro. I don't think it's legit.
Fake news कुछ तो भी है वो.
What is real news anymore? And bro, like, what is the point of like these stats, bro? Of like 5 people getting it, 10 people, 500 people. We don't know how many people have it. We don't know. We can't possibly know how to get them tested or quarantined or to trace the people that they met or the people that they met. We don't know कितने लोगों को आ गया बोल.
And no, people are hiding, dude, in India. लोग छुप रहे.
Forget hiding, people are running from
Yeah.
quarantine.
People are mad. People are out of it, dude.
Yeah. In Nagpur, right? Like
Nagpur.
four
4 people
days.
escaped
Bro,
from
Indore,
quarantine.
they're chasing the health workers away if they're coming to test them. क्या बोलता हूँ लोगों को? I don't know, man.
In the next 3 months, आ रहा सबको.
That's what, no.
कैसा हो रहा है कि बाबा भी क्या करना समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
अजीब टाइम है बाप. बहुत अजीब गली.
Man, this is something that none of us is like,
क्या है बाप?
nobody expected this. You know, I was telling Jen jokingly like 3 months back when people were corona, I was just like, हाँ कुछ तो भी हो रहा.
हाँ वैसा कहाँ तो भी
I was
हो
like,
रहा.
dude, what if this shit spread so bad that Liverpool won't win the league? No, I was like, what if this thing gets so bad that Liverpool doesn't win the league? It fucking happened.
Yeah. Bro, Wimbledon got cancelled. Bro, Tony and Khabib's fight got cancelled for the 5th time. You know?
Yeah, man.
Are your maid is coming into your house or you stopped maid and
No, bro, today she came saying everyone's going to work.
kick her out, dude. What is wrong with her?
Bro, that's what.
इन्वेस्ट कर देना अभी पैसे टाटा में रिलायंस खरीद लेना अपन इकोनॉमी कोलैप्स होते ही
Wait for some more time, dude. I think like markets will die.
Worst
It
of it.
hasn't hit us yet properly, so yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm scared of, bro. I think one day we'll just wake up on a Monday and be like, okay, fuck, everything is closed. Now we have to go out hunting and picking
Nah,
berries.
nahi hota is Eddie.
From tomorrow,
It
we have to
won't-
plant like curry path and eat mint leaves.
Then it won't be like wake up on a Monday and overnight. It'll be a gradual thing, even if that happens. Think
When all the laborers and our house help will attack us, no? That's when we'll know.
पैसे निकाल के मैट्रेस में डाल
The
देना.
house help will start attacking their owners. ड्राइवर आके घरों में आके गैस सिलेंडर चुराना चालू करे जब समझ में आता.
dude, I read some this friend sent me an article. Someone stole a Van Gogh painting from the Van Gogh Museum. Dude.
How? Paris?
Was it in Paris? Yeah.
Crazy.
Oh, chura liye. I saw this.
What would you steal, man, if you got a chance?
That is insane.
Now, like
Man,
something
I was saying iPad. This guy took a Van Gogh.
yeah, exactly. Like, if you could steal anything from a museum, what would you steal? I'd totally like steal like a T-Rex
Skeleton?
skull, like, just the head.
Yeah, desk पे लगाते हैं.
Desk, I mean a desk. from-
No, I'll go for the crown jewels, bro.
What will you do? There won't be any value for it. Crown jewels पे video call करता.
Of course, there'll be value for it. bro.
Where, dude? We are talking about a time when I'm walking in and taking a T-Rex at home. Who's gonna like?
So I'm gonna go for the weaponry, you know, the art.
Yeah.
Take the gun.
Maybe Z, we should get some nice swords, bro. Like
The
that.
rich are still going to have money, and there's
Dude, there won't be a system of rich and poor, Buchi, I think then.
It will be like I'll kill you and eat
There
your
will be
liver.
rich.
Whoever survived.
the rich will still be rich.
No, dude, that.
Bro, उनको नहीं छू सकते. One billionaire is on quarantine on a yacht, bro, in the middle of the Caribbean.
कब भी तो आता ना रे तब आए तो लिवर ले लेंगे उसका.
Dude, if
Ebola
say
आता
the
उसको Ebola.
whole like if there's like a mob mentality all over and the system breaks down, there's no value to your wealth.
Of course there is, bro. These guys will fuck off to islands where they built bunkers. Dude, in New Zealand, these guys have
Fine,
those
but he's
doomsday
not
bunkers,
part
which
of
is
the
a whole
system,
mountain.
though.
But he's
not
coming
part-
out at some time. He can't ever leave that bunker.
He's done. Like he's not part of society anymore. Doesn't matter. I'm saying, as a society, those structures
These guys,
will break down.
these guys will fund their own armies, bro.
That's
What
I'm
are
saying,
you
like,
talking
how
about?
will he- What? Like, why will he make his own army?
Okay, let's talk about Lockheed Martin. Lockheed Martin is this thing, right? Weapons maker.
Hmm.
Weapons makers, oil makers, all these guys will just protect each other, dude. Let
From
the
what?
world burn.
They don't have money. There's nobody who's buying their weapons. Where will they keep getting money from to make those weapons?
They have weapons, but
So what
They
will
have
they do
stockpiles
once
of
they kill like 300 million people? How many more will they kill?
no, they'll make their own little economy somewhere, dude. Set up कर लेते वो
ठीक
लोग.
है रे भाई, but there will be a free world, lot of it.
Free world नहीं रहता वो.
You know what will happen?
Mad
Purge
Max,
world
Mad
रहता.
Max रहता Mad
हाँ,
Max.
Mad Max रहता.
The top 5 executives of Lockheed Martin will get executed in the public square.
Yeah,
That's
and
what will
probably
happen.
they'll get bombed at by some his neighbor. Yeah.
Bro,
There'll be
do not
lynchings.
forget
There'll be
that they
lynchings
took
on
the
that.
king and queen of France and beheaded them. कुछ भी हो सकता, bro. We can't say this and that, no.
Yeah, see,
पूरा डूब सकता.
that you can say about anything right now. There's no point in our discussion is कि just सब लोग हाँ कुछ भी हो सकता होता, हाँ कुछ भी हो सकता.
Okay, getting back to what you would steal from a museum if you could. J bro, what about you?
What could I steal from a museum?
Yeah.
I'd steal like some nice painting I wanted to own, bro.
Peace pipe.
Painting.
I will steal peace pipe from the first Blackfoot court between US and Canada.
Peace pipe. That would be nice, bro. But if you're asking me generally, what all would I loot? If I could, I'd loot a dispensary. I'd loot an iPhone shop.
No, say like
I'd loot some clothes.
consider a scenario you're here only in India.
Okay.
I'd take
In
Sama and
Hyderabad,
I'd
what
loot
is
this thing. I'd flick a plane from somewhere.
Dude.
Plane को ले लेके चले
Yeah.
जाना. And land in the mountains. Chill कर देना उधर.
I think it's safer if we drive.
No, it's not safer if we drive. If it's safer if we drive, people can reach us, dude. Take a
Yeah.
plane and land it there, people can't reach us. We should keep enough fuel to come back when we want to come back. तब तक प्लेन उधर पार्क करके चुपचाप रखना. उधर घर का पूरा सामान प्लेन में भर दे के प्लेन को ले लेके चल जाना.
Two people just can't. Like we'll have to get a Cessna or something. Then we can
Yeah,
manage to see.
पूरा सामान फिट कर लेके.
If we get a if we get a Cessna, we can definitely do it.
How far? What is the Cessna's range? Where can you go to?
Dude, we can just keep doing like stops every 4 hours and definitely go anywhere the fuck we can.
Do you think it can turn into a zombie apocalypse situation?
Zombie apocalypse. लोग हम
Pakka,
मर गए
pakka.
और मर के आगे तो वापस 6 महीने के बाद आ रहे
What if
Yeah,
this-
what if
what
next
if they
phase
start
they're
coming
waking up? Whoever died of
जला दे रहे
COVID is
सबको
waking
कहाँ
up.
से?
Corona too.
अरे आधे को जलाते
Arey, I
आधे
don't
को
know, maybe
गाड़ते
not
ना
everybody.
There's no place, dude. Italy,
Yeah,
people are
Italy
saying
का
there's no. How? It's going to happen everywhere.
Yeah.
अरे बाप
They got
देखो
run out of
बाप
place.
तुम लोग ऐसे बात कर रहे कुछ 10,000 टोटल लोग मरे और टेलिंग मी 10,000 लोगों को bury करने को जगह नहीं.
No. And the
don't
deaths
think so,
crossed
man.
50,000, dude, not 10,000.
Okay, whatever, 50k.
50k? Damn, that's a lot.
No shit.
I mean, whatever. 50k. Earth is big.
We're at
dude.
one.
Okay, let's play the estimate game, bap. What will be the final tally of whenever like pre-vaccine? कितना tally रहता corona का?
As in infections or like deaths?
Deaths overall worldwide.
For
Worldwide.
reference, there's been no vaccine for AIDS till now. 70 million affected, 35 million dead. Okay.
But it had a much higher mortality.
Yeah. See, but that's the thing. Like, no, I'm saying now mortality rate will shoot up if people don't have access, no, to this thing.
Yeah, that's gonna be a shitstorm in our country because we have nothing. So if the infections go to whatever they expect 300 million, or if 500 million people get affected, India's screwed. Like 20 million people.
But that's the thing, though. Iceland said like 50% are asymptomatic. Iceland is the only country who have tested their complete population.
50% are asymptomatic.
50% of positive cases are asymptomatic. Abhi soch tu.
Okay.
I mean, still those other 50% are gonna rape this.
50%.
healthcare system.
बाकी के 50% में 10% mortality समझ.
Yeah,
250 million, 2.5 million.
easy.
Because
Hey, what happened to Pradyun? Bhuchi, you shunted Pradyun.
Nahi ho na.
Echo Bab.
He didn't. Bro, he
Hostel
came. He
आदमी
made
ने बोलते हुए
faces and he
shunted
left,
दिया
bro.
उसको.
That's all he did.
Dude, you can't discriminate against like coastal people. bro.
yeah.
I don't care.
बाप नहीं कर सकता बाप. You can't call him a fish-eating dweller or
I
something.
didn't. You did.
हाँ. तू बोला था ना बाप उसको crab something, crab
Crabby.
curry, crabby,
crab curry.
चूतिया बुला तुम.
crab curry बुलाया.
चूतिया बुला तुम.
चूतिया.
Crabu.
ZD फोन लेके सुट्टा मारने गया. रे तेरे को होना रे कोरोना.
Oh wow.
Oh,
क्या nice.
अच्छा कुछ नहीं भाई. कनाडा में कैसा पैनिक है?
कनाडा में तो उतना नहीं है पापा भी पैनिक हो रहा. पैनिक लोग हो रहे. कल डगफोर्ड थोड़ा हुआ पैनिक.
तेरा मेयर पैनिक कर रहा था बोला ना ZD समझा तो.
हाँ उन्होंने बोल रहा है कि अभी like everything is closed except supply chain essentials. Like any public gathering, you're gonna get charged. If two people they see two people in a car, they're charging $700.
Oh damn son.
Oh wow,
Holy
that is
shit.
brilliant.
करना.
Yeah. TTC भी बंद कर देते बोल रहे हैं. अभी TTC is empty चल रहा पूरा transit. And like if you're in group of 2-3 people बोले तो like you're being like fined like massively.
So no. What do you miss the most during lockdown?
I don't actually. I don't know. Like just being outside meeting people, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah man, it's like not going out at all.
Other than that, economy का tension हो रहा मेरे को अभी.
Bro,
पैसा
I
कैसा
miss
कमाऊं?
going to the side guy and eating a pani puri in the evening when it's like twilight. I really miss.
Maharaja Chaat Bhandar.
When was the last time you did that though?
Last time I came,
4
I
weeks
went
ago.
with Jayant and Pradyun.
Bro, you know we sold Rohini for our cigarettes when we gave a shit and weren't shameless.
Yeah,
Didn't smoke like in our backyards.
yeah,
Was smoking in our parents' bedroom.
yeah. I remember those days. But that was long time ago because me and Jayant were smoking in my room like since 2015.
Yeah, all the time.
क्या मी एंड जयंत क्या रहे, सब लोग आप फूक रहे थे?
मेरे रूम में मस्त जैद बहुत आता था अरे, और मेरे डैड के सुट्टे मार के फूकते थे हम लोग, तो याद है मेरे को।
हाँ
In
Dude,
this
Z
place
Z
at
का
Scienture, we
Z
had
का
to
वो
do
याद
that
है रे,
a lot.
ऊपर वो ऐसा लेड्स के ऊपर हिट चिपाता था इन्हें,
हाँ 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 हाँ
सब कुछ गुम
बिल्कुल
जाता था वहां उधर. Everything would get lost there.
yeah
I would never
They're
get
prob-
anything back from that fucking ledge.
probably like some 30 lighters there still.
okay but seriously dude now when you ask me what do you miss during the quarantine this has not got anything to do with me going out because I'm not a big goer outer but live sports I miss the shit out of live sports
Yeah,
man
yeah,
I miss
Wimbledon is
football, dude.
cancelled, Olympics अब कब होता है कि फिर से?
And I miss general shit news, bro. I miss not getting fucking anxiety from every fucking news story that I read.
I swear my god
Because
Yeah.
dude, I have a habit of reading like a lot of news when I wake up. That's why you'll
Yeah.
see at like 9 a.m. you'll see 20 posts from me about news.
Man, I've stopped doing that. Like, I'm just not letting it.
No, for me
affect
it's a
me
habit I
anymore.
can't leave up. Sama, I've had it forever.
I stopped it after they started lynching people.
yeah I don't want to know about that man
I don't want to know.
No, see the thing is, everything seems so fucking minuscule now. Suddenly, like all those fucking problems seem so fucking trivial now that the whole world's population is going to get fucked. पहले क्या था भी, अरे ये कॉमेडियन को प्लेन से उतार दिए, बू बेंचो प्लेन्स ही बंद हो गए पूरे वर्ल्ड में.
Hey, dude, did you see those memes where they're comparing him to some terrorist?
अरे हाँ, असद मजूर. Yeah, they put his photo. Set था वो.
No, I mean these trolls are at it.
Yeah, of course. अभी अभी उनको full power, उनको कुछ भी काम नहीं है. Okay, so one more topic. Sorry, coming to immigration. Now, let's say, bro, that a lot of the why do these countries need immigration? To pay for their older population's pension.
Right.
They
I
have
mean-
a huge vote. अभी ये corona wipes out a lot of old people also. क्या होता बाप?
Not just that, Rebuchi, you need workers generally in the economy. See, bro, they don't want those people to take, for example, beer brewing jobs, but झाड़ू लगाना in the brewery, उसके लिए भी workers नहीं है, Buchi.
हाँ.
They just don't have people, man. They need people for their everyday stuff.
Nurses, I'm sure they need a lot of medical people, like engineers.
Dude, nurses has been a shortage forever, dude. अभी नहीं है.
More than that, they need like skilled labor, bro. They need like plumbers and electricians and carpenters and like tailors and barbers and
Yeah, plumber and carpenter world over. कहीं पे भी तू, if you learn off the local trade, if you do a trade, जो they call it a trade something,
trade
school.
certification. Yeah, yeah, Ontario trade certification.
हाँ, जाके वो कर लिया तो पूरा जिंदगी सेट रहता है. Those guys earn, dude. Really
A
well,
lot,
actually.
bro. Bro, I know like fucking drywall labor, like drywall लगाते देख.
हाँ हाँ.
Like I know one guy, Douglas बोल के
Construction.
है. Yeah, construction. Douglas बोल के है मेरा दोस्त ब्राजील का. He earns more than an engineer earns. Like one of my other IT friends earns, you know. He earns $35 an hour, bro.
The thing is, no, see, उसमें पीठ लगाना पड़ता बाप. By the time
Oh.
you're 60, पीठ चले जाते.
What he's trying to tell you is these niggas just make a lot of more money.
Yeah, they,
Bro, they don't have 401ks and shit, na?
Yep, they're independent contractors. They don't
Yeah,
have 401ks.
independent contractors don't have pension, they don't have shit, they don't have fucking health
yeah,
insurance.
but they have नहीं मेरे भाई, but here they have like lots of unions and they have employee insurance. कैसा रहता बोले तो मैं
Okay.
employee insurance करा लिया, काम चले गया, job चले गया, काम नहीं मिल रहा बोले तो the government of Canada will pay me $2,000 a month to sit at home.
That's most countries are not. When I say most, I mean most developed socialist countries.
Yeah, like modern, like
Uh,
developed
Socialist.
economies, not
AKA
developed
not
socialist.
USA. Yeah.
Like
Those
even in
guys are
Argentina,
fucked.
you can get that shit. But bro, my friends in Argentina and all, yesterday we had a conf call with all my friends, and like everyone is saying, bro, like it's fucked everywhere.
How bad is it in Argentina?
Argentina's fucked. Kate. They don't have fucking testing kits. They don't have anything.
Even those guys will have similar issues like subcontinent countries, no?
No.
No?
They're actually better
उतना नहीं.
because they have lot
Yeah,
lower
but
population.
only like
very
some of
less
the,
dense.
dude. What about a country like Brazil?
Brazil is fucked.
Bolsonaro
Yeah.
said some people will die, he said.
Yeah, what is that?
Dude,
Bro,
he's not
said-
even asking for distancing.
Yeah, he's like fuck it. Whatever happens types. पागल है उन्हें आदमी.
Oh.
Do you know Bolsonaro hating Brazilians?
Yeah, every Brazilian I know here disagrees with him at the minimum and like hates him. Like they want like Mussolini to happen to him, you know, like come out in the street and shoot him.
Oh
That kind of
wow.
liberal left wingers also I know. हो गया रे, हो गया लोड़े लग गए चलो. हो गया अभी सबके लग गए लोड़े. कुछ नहीं कर सकते अभी. अपन लोग बोलते थे ना रे थोड़ा डिपॉपुलेशन हुआ तो अच्छा रहता बोल के.
मरते भी नहीं, बीमार होके पूरे हेल्थ केयर चूस लेते.
Like we were all talking
हाँ.
about good for the environment, good for the environment. EPA, Europe's US Environment Protection Agency, has removed all bans on coal production and using coal for power. Europe has removed all restrictions on using coal for power because, dude, everyone is going to
But they
recession.
need that. Yeah, exactly. They need the extra power.
Everyone is going to recession, and they're like, dude, we need power from all the
Yeah.
cheapest source, which is what? Coal. And in the US, they were saying 100,000 jobs are on the line for wind and solar. Sub projects रुक गए, like the like
Dude, wind and solar was already dead there. It's not now.
No, it was, dude, it was growing right now. Just now, yesterday I saw an interview with the head of the
Wind
union, whatever.
definitely not. Solar maybe.
Wind also, bro. Wind and solar. Because see, solar boomed because a few states like Colorado, California, and all made it mandatory for every house to have solar, some percentage.
True.
Dude, like I don't know how solar is going to work, bro, till these guys figure out a way to store the energy. Because Germany sells their power at a loss to like countries like Austria and all in non-peak hours. So basically, during non-peak hours, they pay the other country to take power from them. तू समझ रहा? तेरे घर पे पावर बन रहा वापसामा, तेरे बगल घर के बगल में मैं रह रहा हूँ, तेरे घर में बहुत ज्यादा पावर है, you can't use it.
Yeah.
And there's no way to dissipate it. So you pay me to take your power and use it. This is the situation in Germany. Bro, I'm not kidding. When I went there, people are telling me this is what is happening.
Acha bro, so listen to these points, okay? A couple of points from this article.
बोल.
So people will stop touching things. They won't be comfortable with people breathing around them or like shaking hands, saying that'll change.
Yep.
No, bro. See, in India, we don't have a concept of space.
Agreed, but I agree.
But see, where is this thing from? Where is this article from?
Politico.
Which is based where?
I think it's American.
See, the thing is, yes, in white countries, as in developed countries, yes, this is a thing that will happen. But in poor countries, they can't afford it.
Yeah, okay. So second point is a new kind of patriotism. So they're saying the Americans will move like they've been hailing like the war machine, right? Like the American war machine for so many years. Supporting your troops means like you're patriotic.
You think there'll be any revolution as a part?
इन्हें बोल रहा decline in
Yeah.
polarization भी
Yeah,
होता
that's
है
what.
बोल रहा.
Like, you think there'll be any like mass like scale revolts and shit?
Like this is the first
Violence
common
being-
enemy scenario. Yeah, I think it'll be like how it happened during the Nazi Germany times, you know, like everybody comes together against the Axis.
Yeah.
But this time it's coronavirus, it's not.
बाप तू बिल गेट्स का वो देखा रे ज़रा?
That TED
TED
talk.
Talk?
We just saw it the other day.
Yeah.
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 क्या उस्ताद है ना उन्हें?
Man, he fucking nailed that prediction to the fucking point.
वो 2015 का वायरस आ रहा बोला
It's
था.
unnerving, like what
देखा
on-
देखा. Bro, did you guys see that? Did you hear the podcast? वो Joe Rogan का Dr. Orban Fliss.
हाँ.
Bro, listen to that, bro. Listen to it. अब मैं फिर से सुना. अरे बहुत अच्छा है वो, बहुत informative है. And apparently this guy was telling them, you know, 3 months पहले से बोल रहा था कि ये pandemic बनने वाला है. You have to contain it right now. He's like, nobody listened to me. And then as soon as it broke down, they called him back. They're like, हाँ तू बोला था ना, तेरे को मालूम था ना, तू solution बता अभी वो. तो उन्होंने बोल रहा हाँ क्या तू. They're saying religious worship will look different as people will return to faith like seriously apparently after corona.
As a general sentiment, you can't have that. I hope they shut down all these institutions.
What's it saying?
It's saying like, can the Christians? It's saying like we are an Easter people. Many Christians are fond of saying, emphasizing the triumph of hope and life over fear. But how do an Easter people observe their honest, holiest day if they cannot rejoice together on Easter morning? How do Jews celebrate their deliverance from the bondage when the Passover Seder's must taken place on Zoom? Can Muslim families celebrate Ramadan if they cannot visit local mosques for Taraweeh prayers or gather with loved ones to break the fast? All faiths have dealt with challenge of keeping faith alive under the adverse conditions of war or dysphoria or persecution, but never all faiths at the same time. Religion in the time of quarantine will challenge conceptions of what it means to minister and to fellowship, but it will also expand the opportunities for those who have no local congregation to sample sermons from afar. Contemplative practices may gain popularity.
I think line में आ जाना सब.
Bro, today is Ram Navami. Nothing is happening outside.
What is Ram Navami?
It's not like a big festival, is it?
The birthday of Ram, bro.
Yeah, but I don't think in general it's like, oh, like.
But before
people are out.
BJP, did anybody know?
Yeah, dude, in North India, it's a huge deal.
Really?
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
North India, everything is a huge deal, bro.
Dude, but Zeddy, seriously, what about Ramzan, man? It's gonna.
Ramzan is cancelled. Come back next year.
It's cancelled. Ghar pe. Like, bro, every mosque near my house, near my office, they said do not come to the mosque. If you come to the mosque, like the doors will be closed. Pray from your homes and observe. Like, if you want to listen to like whatever lectures and all, just do it online. All the scholars are online. So I think it'll be good in a way for the Muslims, in like personally, because I think they will stray away from like these local mullahs, and they'll move towards like
Because
scholars and
everyone
they'll
has
try
their
to
local
listen.
preacher. So now all
Yeah,
that is
like
going to go online. Everybody is going to have access. So religion will bound back in the sense that earlier people who didn't have the time to go, mosque is far away
exactly.
or something at home or something else.
Yeah.
Now they can sit at home and follow everything.
So you have time for it.
But now you have a selection of preachers.
Plus, bro, what happens is when you go to like say a congregation or like a mosque or a mass or like a temple where one person is speaking with authority and you're sitting in crowd, you can't really stand up and criticize him.
No,
Like
Dude,
you'll
I
but
think
feel
that's an
backlash.
epic
But
point.
once it's
Z.
online and you're sitting at your house and he's talking shit, you can be like, shut the fuck up and like just end call. Like,
Your teachings are wrong
that's all.
or
Like, and
hateful. Yeah.
Dude, no, but even if you do that, you will face a lot more backlash, dude.
no, online backlash is nothing compared to real life backlash when you're standing in a mosque and being like, yo, you're preaching some like, falsified facts. Like,
वही तो बोल रहा है ना मॉस्क में
Yeah,
जाके
he
कभी
wouldn't.
नहीं करता.
You can't do that shit.
लेकिन तू मॉस्क में जाके उंगल करा किसी को.
oh, me, bro. I've had like a long term conflict with like the scholarly class, like 'cause my understanding is totally different.
Okay.
Like the mosque I go to, like the imam there is a scholar, bro. So it's like he gets like scholars from Turkey, like Iran, like all over the world, Syria. Like they preach Sufism sometimes. Like they talk about all those aspects, the spiritual aspects.
Okay, conclusion statements, bro. Number of deaths. When is this going to end? What do you think is going to be the aftermath, religious and economic and social?
Number of deaths, I don't even want to comprehend or even think about it. I think it'll end only in 2021. It's gonna be dragged on till 2021. I feel personally, and after this, I think a lot of things will change. Like the people will be more aware of their situation. They'll be more aware of like news. They'll be more aware of like being online. Like even the people who were never online will now like acknowledge. I think there'll be virtual civic like federalism. People will like pull forward their views more. I think people will find their voice after like this whole paranoia thing passes.
Yeah, I mean, I think like for me, when you look at it, like in terms of death,
I think it's just the trauma. People will come together because of it. People will understand democracy is not like a solution. That system can break anytime.
yeah.
Yeah.
No, because see, look at it this way. For me, how many people will die? I think that, let's just put it this way. I think 70% of the world will be infected over the next 3 years, man.
Yeah.
Okay, 2023 you're saying.
Yeah, 5% of those will die. Now, when will life return to normal as such? I would say about 4-5 months from now, which is when like the sort of some of the paranoia will leave, or everything will explode, and by that time, anyway, 70% of the people would have caught it, and there will be the devastation that there needs to be. But I also do think that communities will come closer together. I think there will be more empathy between random groups of, including like
Yeah.
Chinese and Indian. They'll like look into each other's eyes and they'll understand how to tere bhi community ko toda, hame bhi toda. But there will, I think, be a lasting impact on physical
So
distancing.
you're
When-
saying hatred won't be a thing.
No, nothing
No,
on that scale.
no.
I'm saying during like for thinking people, bro. I think the world is polarized. All of the conservative people, I think they're batshit nuts and they're going to continue doing their thing. Amongst the other people, what I'm going to call normal people, there will be a greater understanding. I will have a better understanding of the people of Durg. Even though previously I would have had nothing in common, now I'll have Corona in common. I'll have Corona in common with South Africans, Australians, whatever. But also when I go into a beach like thing, like a shack in Goa, I would not want to stick to people. I think that thing is also going to last. So physically, a little bit of distancing, socially, and in terms of heart, a little bit coming together. Economy wise, I think things could get ugly if bank runs happen. If what Z said, if everybody wants to withdraw their money, and if banks start running out of cash, then it'll be very, very ugly. Otherwise, I think governments will print a bunch of money. They will have to help businesses. They will have to somehow get money in the hands of people, waive loans, all of that. But I think the stock market, people outside who have their wealth outside stock market, they'll never recover. People who have their money in stock markets, I think 2 3 years they'll be back. That's what I think will happen.
No, man, they'll definitely lock them. No, they'll put a restriction on your withdrawals and things. They won't let that happen.
Yeah, they
They will
shouldn't,
they will
because there's
limit
no
your
coming back from that.
they will limit your transactions or whatever max amount limits.
Yeah.
That and going out is gonna become a massive stigma, Bucci.
Yeah.
I don't think I'll go out easily. I would definitely not go to theaters for a while. Those are the worst, I think.
Yeah, there will be some restructuring of the economy. Finally, we'll get to, some kinds of high spending, but different things.
Yeah, it'll shift in the sense we'll have certain industries this will kind of support and some which will not.
Absolutely,
Obviously.
absolutely.
So we'll see a shift in
I think
money.
I think restaurant
moving.
industry is going to take a very bad beating,
A
and
long-
most
No,
people won't
like
come out of it. Yeah.
I know they're going to take a very big hit. Like the social thing of going to a restaurant and eating will be less. But I think
Yeah.
takeout restaurants and like catering. And all.
Exactly,
Takeout
that's
is
what I
gonna
mean.
go.
Exactly.
Takeaway
I
is
think
gonna-
online is going to increase.
And so-called chilling at home, like chilling at home will become more the norm. Movies, anything
Exactly,
that has
exactly,
sort of
right.
a social
Yes,
outside
yes,
thing will
absolutely.
be affected horribly.
Yeah.
If this is going to last 3 years, if you think this is going, yeah, they're fucked. They're completely ruined.
Movie theater chains? Yeah, exactly, man. And collectively on your psyche, it'll last longer. Yeah.
I agree with that. I was going to ask, my next question was that, do you think that, yeah, there will be an economic shift towards Asia with all these Western economies on the brink of collapse, which were already heading for recession?
Yeah, I think so too. Yeah, especially America. I think especially America will be stopped looking at like the world leader. They'll stop looking at America like that.
Yeah, for world economics.
No, but I don't know why you guys are ignoring India's situation, man. We're fucked. India's economy is really, really fucked.
See, bro, you guys keep talking about like a shift from US, and I understand where you're coming from. But bro, like the issue is that even China countries are losing a little bit of faith in them.
Yeah.
Right? So no, bro, like see, boycott will never happen without
Can't.
somebody else supplementing that
Someone has to fill
Yeah.
that
That demand
gap, bro. That
at
demand. It has
that
to come.
That's
rate.
going to be India.
I doubt it.
Bro,
I mean,
it'll require trillions of
Yeah.
crores of investment if we can get that from other countries. If Apple literally says, forget it, I'm moving out of Foxconn, I want
Apple just
my
said that
10.
they're going to shift to Vietnam and India. iPhone production.
No, bro, Apple said that. Apple said
1
that
week
because
ago.
it's.
And bro, I think the American population itself has like lost faith in globalization and international trade. Free trade agreements are becoming toxic. NAFTA ka dekha to North
Yeah.
American Free Trade Treaty, like what Trump did as soon as he came with
Yeah.
like Mexico and Canada. Yeah, and on contrast, China is actually not losing faith.
Yeah.
Like China is still like battling for like world
Dominance.
leadership. Yeah, world dominance, and they have been experiencing like an explosion, no, bro, in like cultural confidence and like identity and
Yeah, but see, bro, I'll tell you, there's like two parts to that. That absolutely might happen, what you said. It depends on only two factors, man. Whether Trump takes the next election or not, because if even Biden comes, even if sleepy Joe Biden comes, he'll reverse a lot of the stupid positions taken up by Trump in international relations. He will get back on the Iran deal. He will go back to trade agreements. He will re-strengthen NATO. He will stop fucking around with Mexico. He will stop sucking off Papa Kim, etc., etc. Second thing, dude, that China's youth themselves, we normally very quiet, normally subdued. See, there is a rising anger about how the government handled the coronavirus. Now, if you ask me what is going to happen, I think nothing will happen. But if by chance this is not controlled and China's youth get sick of their government, that itself will be a problem to stability and growth for China. So yeah, it's kind of on a balance.
yeah, bro, like people in Canada, in Toronto, bro, people are like fearful of Chinese citizens. Not even Chinese, because most people can't say between Chinese, Koreans, and Japanese people. There's just a stigma, Uber mein nahi bithana, वो लोग के stores को नहीं जाना. It's stupid. It's absolutely pathetic and stupid. I go, there's a Chinese lady store यहाँ पे रहती मैं, rolling paper, cigarette उससे ही लेता हूँ. I go to her all the time and tell her
Good
how she's
Brozy,
doing.
yeah.
Like I've told her put up a glass. You don't have to meet people. Take credit card. Don't take cash. ये सब बात करता हूँ मैं उससे. उन्होंने बोल रही थी ऐसा stigma में आ जा रहे बोल के. And I think it's pretty sad. Like she's been living here for 30 years, bro. She has no contact with China whatsoever. She's like fucking Canadian.
Yeah.
This is a very bad crescendo to a growing thing that was happening already. World over, groupism was happening very strongly. The world was shifting right.
True. Yeah, exactly. See, dude, this is not good for globalization. The right wing can seize up on this and say, look, this is what happens when you globalize.
I think global supply chain will be affected like massively. I think these micro supply chains like of production, you know, like building something in one country, sourcing it from another country, that will like businesses will start rethinking about that. They'll start producing their own shit now, I think.
Yeah, they need to be supported the most, man.
Exactly.
They're fucked already because nobody is gonna be lobbying for them. The big companies will lobby for themselves and bail themselves out. But these small and medium enterprises, nobody is fighting for them. They are not big enough for the government for them to give a shit because they don't contribute a lot in terms of taxes and stuff like that.
And not just that,
But
in
they
terms
are
of lobbying.
in terms of lobbying mainly.
But if the government wants to save jobs,
But they
that
have
is
to
where
save
they
them
will do,
because
yeah.
that's where most of the jobs are. If that collapses, your fucking economy that'll collapse.
Recession, bro. Recession. Khatam.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
fire is going to burn everything, bro. It will burn culture. It will burn trade. It will
Yeah.
burn
See,
economy.
that's the thing, right? With why it's not like a war. This thing is even during war, you have a lot of other segments of society or like this the machine still functioning
This
normally.
is everything shut down.
This is everything on bloody every fucking level. Every segment of every fucking parallel business, every subsidiary, everything that is on so many levels, things
Sama, I
are
was going to
fucked.
ask you your numbers, your thoughts on this. Kya hota? What is the long-term effects? What are the numbers? How long is this going to go on?
Bro, like with deaths, definitely, dude. I think, see, like Jen said, if 70% get infected, I think 50, I think like 50 to 70 will definitely get infected. And out of that, yeah, if that's the case, then yeah, you can take anything to like 10-15%. In smaller like countries like India, the mortality rate is going to be insanely high. And I think that's going to be with a lot of countries. I'm assuming worst case scenario where like we fucking dying like everybody out there, getting infected at the same rates, and assuming how many like ICU units we have, there'll definitely be more deaths. Like a nigga whose symptoms probably can easily be, this guy can definitely make it given he gets the right equipment or right conditions to survive. There'll be a lot of cases like that. So now they're testing few people.
Bap, in MP, there's a town called Itarsi. Itarsi is a train junction, right? How many tests do you think are there in Itarsi, Pucci?
So that's
Yeah,
the issue.
some
with
nigga
our
died there. You don't know why he died. He might have died of pneumonia from this thing where you just don't know.
What do you guys think will the world look like after this pandemic? What will happen?
Okay, my one line conclusion is mass unemployment, bro. Mass unemployment is my conclusion.
I'm saying food rights and daru rights. UB shut its breweries. Oh fuck! So there'll be like booze shortages, niggas. Booze
No,
shortages.
that won't nahi hota. No, there won't be. See, right now you're not buying.
No,
You're not buying
but
till you start
nigga,
buying again,
people.
and that's when we start production again.
Yeah.
So anyway, no, what I was trying to say was, the thing is, I don't know what to think, man. I don't know, like, it's fucking overwhelming. I can't understand I can't
My
comprehend.
2 cents on the thing. Do your thing. Just quarantine yourself like a fucking bitch for 6 months.
But you can't.
Okay,
See, that's
just
the thing.
survive this.
We sort of have the luxury to be able to do that.
No, not only luxury. You just have to be smart about
Dude,
it
no,
at
a lot
a
of people
lot of
don't have
levels
that luxury.
also.
Daily wage labor.
No, nigga, but of course, but if he's safe, he can just stay the fuck home. Like, that's it. Don't go meeting people.
As in, go to work and come home. Don't fucking go out. Watch bol raha hu.
Maybe,
Minimize
yeah.
your
If that's what it takes. What I'm saying is, everybody should just do whatever it takes, man. Just do whatever it takes. That's it.
नहीं होता बहुत मुश्किल है वो. I think whoever doesn't do it will kill everybody else.
No, see, yeah, exactly. So
Yep,
even if you do
yep.
it and you have some dumb fuck that you have to like deal with on a daily basis who does stupid shit and then infects you, what do you do?
You
You've
can't
been
do
doing all
anything,
your
you'll
shit.
get it too.
Huh.
That's why. That's
Exactly.
what I mean by saying everybody should take part. But it can't happen. That's why we are in
There's
such a
already
fucked up
there
situation.
will be like mob and vigilante justice. There'll be mob violence.
Definitely. That is definitely gonna happen.
Yeah, exactly. So coming to that point, I was just going to talk about that.
We saw those videos, right? Some two niggas went into a supermarket without a mask. They kicked him
Yeah,
out
they
in
beat
Hyderabad. They
they
were
beat them
yelling
up.
at them. Yeah, they beat him up. What the fuck, dude?
No, anyway, yeah, what I was going to say is, see, we were already at 6.1% in India. We were at the highest rates in the last 20 years for unemployment, 6.1%, which I
Yeah.
highly doubt is a proper figure. But from the figures we've had, that's the highest we've had. This combined is going to be mass unrest to another level.
Yep.
This is
Absolutely.
going to cause massive outrages everywhere. People are going to lose their shit. There's going to be riots in some places for sure. People are already pelting doctors, pelting like police and shit. All that's already started, and now it's not just Muslims are everybody's fucking up the police.
Dude, 15% unemployment in this country with the youths not able to find like any like a livable wage.
Followed
Horrible.
by this,
Bad.
yeah, I'm saying the number will reach something like 20%, dude, which is massive. Which is massive. Which is
20%
like
what?
Unemployment.
Unemployment. Yeah, that's dude. Lot of people. are gonna
20%
be on the
unemployment
streets.
is economic collapse.
That's lot of
26
people are
crores. That's 26 crore people, bro.
Yeah, that's a collapsed economy.
That's what happens in Zimbabwe. Happened in Zimbabwe and Venezuela.
That's what happened during the Great Depression. Actually, in the Great Depression, it was 10% unemployment.
Really?
Yeah.
We
Then
were already at 6.1. Yeah, that's what. That's the scary
30
part.
हुआ तो हो जाता बुच्ची.
That's what is scary. That's what is scary. You can't afford anything.
Acha boys,
कपड़े
chalo,
लेके
I'm just
चले
gonna
जाते.
head out and do some things. Good chat, man.
No, but why are our chats so serious? Full ऐसा serious हो गए सब लोग. Can we like do like a more lighter episode next time?
And people not just yelling at each other or just saying, ah, tu chutiya, tu chutiya. That didn't happen.
No, but I want that. Can we do some of that too chutya? Like
Yeah,
make
we'll
it
do
a
that
little
also.
more like
We'll
fun.
do that. Pradyut,
It's too
Pradyut को
like
बुलाना पड़ता
serious,
उसमें.
man. We are not some scientists sitting and discussing this
For
issue.
that, see, for that, we also need a topic like that. No, bro, this is such a
What
dark
topic?
topic. Like, it's very
So
difficult
let's
to
talk
make
about
light
some
of.
random shit, and also we can shit on Corona for a bit. It's fine. I think we just spoke for 4 hours about Corona
About it.
and nothing else.
No, but yeah, we can discuss lighter topics, but we need to pick something. Like, I think there are.
Yeah.
Chalo, set hey boys. I think
Chalo. Yeah. Call it a night, man.
okay guys. Thanks for your
Set.
time. We'll
Set.
see you guys
Set.
later.
Cheers.
Set.
Have a
Yeah.
good day.
See you guys
Yep. Bye bye.
later, niggas. Be safe.